Your voice is worth $75 or more. You just don't know it yet. Voiceover Work is one of the easiest ways to make money straight from your phone, and you don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment to get started. First, use your phone to record a few sample voiceovers. Find a quiet spot, use your built-in voice recorder, and read scripts for ads, TikToks, audiobooks, or even YouTube intros. Keep your audio clean, your delivery clear, and your energy up. Brands and creators want voices that sound real, friendly, and relatable. Next, set up gigs on Fiverr or Voices.com. Create a profile, upload your best samples, and list the types of projects you're open to. Quick TikTok promos, podcast intros, explainer videos, or book narration. Highlight your style and any accents or languages you can do. Buyers are searching for all kinds of voices, not just deep or classic radio voices, but everyday tones that fit modern content. Don't have a professional microphone? No worries. Modern phones have solid audio quality, and with a little editing using free apps like Audacity or BandLab, you can remove background noise and polish your recordings until they sound crisp and professional. Remember, it's about clarity and personality, not a fancy studio setup. The best part? Voiceover jobs pay well, even for short clips. It's common to earn $75 or more for a project that only takes a few minutes to record and upload. Some creators turn this into a regular side income, stacking gigs week after week, all from home. No complicated editing, no video to film. Just talk smart, deliver on time, and build a reputation. The more samples you create and the more gigs you complete, the more your earnings grow. As your profile builds reviews and you try different niches, like audiobook narration, character voices, or digital ads, you'll find what pays best for you. So don't let your voice go to waste. Start recording, start posting, and let your phone become your studio. Talk smart, get paid, and turn your words into real cash. Hit follow for more creative skills you can use to make money today.